Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're running for you today is actually an unknown mixer, but it's similar in design to the Oakes mixer. You'll see that it has a stationary series of teeth arranged in 2 rows, and this rotor, when mounted in place there on the moving shaft, has 3 rows of teeth which pass intermeshing between them. And then of course the cover that you see here with a 1.5 inch tri-clover connection, and has also 2 rows inside of it. So very similar to what a double run Tritter mill would do, if you guys are familiar with that. Of course, you see the head is jacketed. There's nothing on the mixer to indicate who made it. It has a 7.5 horsepower Reliance drive. The AC frequency control will need to be replaced. It's an older Allen Bradley, and of course it's been programmed to run at a slow speed. The motor is a higher speed. As you see, it's running now at only about 450 RPM. It's belt driven on a stainless steel base. We'll have full information and as much as we can get on this particular unit once it's added into our inventory. And you'll see this under our mills, and then click the subset miscellaneous. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.